information oba niyo watwara umuntu oba niyo watwara umwishiki oba niyo wamuhabaringa ko kutantugamba wamubika okukereza ningasho kuterera ni human trafficking kandi abinje n'umukereza abana bato iri tweta child trafficking ushanga umwana wamuhamba bamutoroboza eje ba aggravated child trafficking kandi ekirunjo akatabo okora ashino mu aggravated child trafficking punishment nekanana a death sentence. So abanyambara abanyakigezi ankore yona n'ebitonde bitwetorire omuze jeto bana culture oba nomuze okucheza nyenda tugukomye akuba ogwo n'umushango muhanga akushanoza kubona mu nemishango mingi yona kandi yanakomwa rape, defilement, aggravated child trafficking emishango mingi mnono omukintu ekyo kucheza
bari munonga mwami
digirora wanga be bantu betusinga okwesiga abantu abatuliranye bwalaba ekintu nagamba wasoma biki tulina mulimu waliwo omulimu oluusi abasinga tebamanyi nti they are alien traffickers just anoonya omulimu akuyambe naye tamanyi nti alina bayamba abagala okukusa. So tubakubiriza bwe mufuna emirimu gino oba opportunities zino ez'okusomesa abaana mwebuuzeeko ku bakulembeze, mwebuuzeeko ku poliisi, mwebuuzeeko ku mikwano gyammwe ekikwatako tuleme kukukusa abantu baffe nga ffe bennyini ab'emikwano n'ab'eŋŋanda baffe tukibaddemu.
tweyanzige katusembeyo
naye kobako kusiika capati katandikireho tokamanyikala history. As I conclude, I want to call upon the people of Western Uganda, viewers and listeners of Sky TV and those ones, because it is also on their online listeners globally, to know that this is a global issue. We need joint efforts. We cannot work alone. So let us work together, and this is how we can succeed. Failure to report a crime of human trafficking is also a crime. I want to give you an example of where our own police officer, a lady who had failed for some time, she had not got promotion. This is all over on social media and online. People can go and you get to know what I'm talking about. So she approached a witch doctor who advised her on sacrificing a child. But there was somebody who had been approached to abduct the child, and he knew how the child was abducted. He did not report. We also took him on, and when we finally investigated, prosecution took place, this person who failed to report was convicted to 3 years. So failure to report this crime is an offense. Mutaka yale bamukabihunamira tuine kukolera hamwe mwebale.